Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So, you guys maybe saw my last video when I said that you guys need to swipe up because I can add sound effects now in CapCut. Oh, sorry. So I'ma do a video right now with the sound effects. Playing infection. Yeah. Hello.
I'm always thought you were monkey.
Hey yo.
Monkey,
Hey.
monkey.
Hey.
Monkey, monkey.
No.
Monkey,
GG.
monkey, monkey.
This one. Oh, turkey leg.
Come back.
Pen, skibbity pen. Pen pineapple, skibbity pineapple. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, fuck. No.
What the? Whoa. Yeah. I sucked like on that lingo. Smash me away. I never seen that.
In it. How are you doing now?
Oh, purple. Oh.
Wait.
Okay, GG.
I swear my color's brown.
You just jumped into me, then I fall down.
Wait, how do you have that t-shirt?
No, it's a camera, but it's a little thing that's ready for you.
What the?
Quandal dingle. Quandal dingle.
I'm very good at warning. It's another monkey! Climbing.
And nobody cares. Oh!
Chris, no! Whisper the word, Whisper. Whisper the word. Accident.
No, I just gotta wait.
Oh my god, these fucking knives.
No. Okay.
No. I can't put bit noises. Lava monkeys.
Love on my guy. Bro, everyone who's tagged, they are new. Oh my gosh, Quandal dingle.
One free tag. Get back up.
¿Qué pasa, puto?
Oh my gosh, dogs and cats.
As man kan se. Oh, what is wrong with you? Hey, Blue. Why am I so tracty? I barely can't walk on it.
No.
What the?
Oh, I'm getting so much better. What is
Mamá, que me
happening?
caigo, que yo no estoy, yo no veo lo mismo que tú. O sea, yo me estoy
You shouldn't go so fast, Logan. You might hit someone.
Oh my god.
I'm standing out in the middle of
I'm gonna be no vodka.
Ooh, it's Christmas.
This is not Christmas.
Christmas. Christmas. Look. Lägg ett täcke runt mig också.
Vänta, är du
Oh
svensk?
no.
Wait, he's Swedish. Like me.
Jag går så då.
No, I'm on vodka.
Oh my god, fucking me!
Bro, you're in Sweden. Why did you Sweden, bro? Oh my god, we report you to the police, man.
Fuck off, nigga.
What the hell? How are people doing this?
Bro.
GG's.
I'm gonna go. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god. No, dude, this is how you do it. Dude, this is how you do it. No. Dude, look, this is how you do it.
You there? What? Don't pay me for that. The other one goes back. You do not need speed. What? You don't need speed. Get out.
Who's left? Does anyone want to play mini games?
What the? No.
We are the good.
Yeah.
We are the good. Wait, but is there other people in the car? Yeah, they're laughing
I don't
at
know.
us.
I need 5.
I have no idea how people
And then
do
skibidi
that.
pen.
And what's the good speed? Oh, what's the good way? No.
There's a lava monkey.
Okay, if anyone has
Yo, anybody wanna play Monkey on the Shelf and Ghost in the Graveyard?
How's it actually?
Oh my gosh, it's big.
Anybody wanna play Private Code?
It's CDD big.
I
It's
don't care if you
TDD
tag
big.
me, because I'm just trying to get up here. Oh no, dang it. to let me move.
Baby.
Dude, I'm tired. I can't. I don't want to tag anyone, bro. I just want to run away.
Teach your play. Teach your play.
Yo, anybody want to play some games in private code?
Oh, you wanna got this? You wanna got this? Yeah.
Oh, purple. I'm
That's
tagging
it.
you, bro.
You
Sorry.
wanna got that?
Bored.
Oh, that's one.